Very good morning, all of you. Well, once again we have started elements of cost and market analysis for first semester students. So yesterday we are know about that what is the demand analysis. So how a demand it will be important. So why demand it will be a more important for the manufacturer or a businessman. Well, the main demand analysis and utility concept, that is the title of first model. The title of that first model is elements of cost, and then it is nothing but as a demand analysis and utility concept. This is the first model in elements of cost and market analysis. Well, under that we are starting only demand analysis. Still we are not starting utility concept. The title of the first model, first chapter, demand analysis and utility concept. That is the model number. So here we are started. Sorry for that. So this is nothing but as a model number 2. So we are already completed the managerial economics in the first model. So we are in the second model. The second model's title is nothing but as a demand analysis and utility concept. We have to be already we are know about that what is the demand and all, and then we have to know about that. That is nothing but as a, today we have to discuss about that. What are those factors it will be affecting the demand? Demand means what? It is a desire, a able to pay or ability to pay and willingness to buy. It is called as a demand. Suppose a consumer, if he interested to buy any product, so he can first desire for that product, and then he has to make a ability to buy that product. Then willingly he has to buy that product. Then completely meaning it will comes as a demand. Demand is nothing but as a desire. Suppose a poor man demanded a car and he doesn't have ability to pay the price for that car, that is not a demand. So demand it will comes on the willingness, ability to pay and desire. These three it is combined, it will comes, then we are called as a demand. The demand it will be increased when the people will buy more and more, or consumer will be buying more and more, then definitely demand of the product will be increased. Then what are those factors affecting demand? So how a demand will be increased? What are those factors will be pushing the demand? How a factors will be inspiring the demand? How a demand it will be increased? What are those beyond the factors we have to know today? So there are a totally 6 factors it will be affecting. That is why demand it will be day by day it will be increased. If doesn't have these factors, then demand it will be not increased. So first we have to move over that. What are those factors will be affecting on demand? First one, price of the product. So price of the product is nothing but as a, when the price of a product will be a less or decrease, the demand of that product will be increased. You take example, suppose the demand or the price of a petrol, it will be increased 100 rupees. The people will start buying less. When they have to buy demand for that, or they have to decide about 1 liter, they will go for the 50 rupees, 25 rupees, 20 rupees. Why? Because the rate will be very high. The people will start buying on the low. So means that the price of that product will be depend upon that price. If price will be very high, the people will start buying less. If the price of the product will be low, the people will be buying more and more. That is nothing but as a law of demand. So this is nothing but as the price of a product more buy on lower price. Means that when the price of a product will be low, the people will be start buying more and more product. When the price it will be high, the people will be stop or decreasing buying or less buying. That is called as a price. It will be a very important factor. It will be affecting on the demand. This is the first factor. It will be affecting the demands. It will be higher or lower. This is one. Then second, the consumer's income. See that. So nowadays, everywhere if you have to go, every business will be top. Because earlier the people will never eat outside. Nowadays what they are? Outside eating is a fashion. If you doesn't have a outside eating fashions and all this thing, if you doesn't have a habit of outing outside, the people will thinking that you are the not educated and you are not following modern society people, or you are not fit for the modern society, like that they are feeling nowadays. That is why everybody they have to be give a order to the Zomato, Pizza, McDonald's, like that. These are the food they have to be supplying regularly to your house and all this thing. So when the income it will be start growing, or a salaries it will be hit or increasing day by day, then by people what they are doing, they will start buying more and more. Suppose the income will be more, the earlier the person who is buying bike or a scooter, they will go for the cars. So demand it will be increasing when the income of the person or consumers it will be increased. That is also a effect of on the demand. That is the second factor, which is nothing but the consumer's income. Like that, third one is the price of related goods. Suppose the demand of a one product it will be increased, automatically increasing of the other products also. You take example of, suppose the value of edible oils or switch oils, it will be increased, or little bit it will be some difference in between the ghee and the sweet oil or edible oils, then people will be go for the ghee also. The demand of the ghee it will be increased. You take example of tea and coffee also, or tea and sugar also. The demand of the sugar it will be increased when the price of the tea also be increased. Like that, simultaneously it will be dependent on the others. So like that it will be, if you have to be demand of a car more and more, then there are other related products to the cars that also be increased day by day. That is nothing but as the price of related goods it will be increased. That is also one factor. It will be effect on demand. And then fourth one, the factors affecting demand is nothing but as the taste and preference of consumers. Suppose the taste of a product or a food, it will be very tasty food. Then people what they are doing, regularly they are visiting to that shop. Suppose a tea stall is there, he is making nice tea with a 5 rupees 1 cup, then people will be increased, or people will be regularly they are visiting, because taste also be a very good of tea with the low price. Means that due to the taste, the demand of the tea will be increased. And the next one is the preference of consumers. If consumer will be prefer for the particular product, then automatically the demand it will be increased. You take example Samsung mobile. People will be very preferable for that product. Then automatically one by one all people will be increased and buying the start of the Samsung models and all this thing. So that is why the depend upon the product and the consumer will be giving preference, automatically demand will be increased, and the consumer will start drinking tea if tasteable or taste product is a taste food is there, then automatically demand will increase. That is the fourth nothing but as a factors affecting on demand. The next fifth one, the consumer expectation. So consumer what they are doing? They are searching a product in the market. As per his expectation, he got he got that product, then he will be very happy. Then the demand of that product will be increased. That is why whatever he want to expect, whatever he is having his ideas planning, and whatever he want to think about that, this product it will be, this is my choice. There are so many things in the available. Whatever I thought, whatever I think, whatever I plan, so I am getting all these things in this product, means that the product of that value will be increased. The demand it will be increased, means that expectation of the consumers. So consumer it will be going and searching the product. So consumers, if he had an expectation is as per his expectation, he got that product, the demand it will be increased. That is a fifth one, the consumer expectation. Either it will be taste, either it will be rate wise, either it will be service wise, either it will be durable wise, whatever it will be, expectation is the consumers depend upon that factors of demand it will be increased. So then the number of consumers in the market, that is it. Always when the consumers it will be very high level or day by day increasing in market, so demand of every product will be increased, because there are so many peoples or there are so many consumers, they have to be, or number of consumers they have to be coming going in the market, means that the definitely the product rate it will be or demand it will be increased. Either it will be less consumers, then market there is no demand. And also if you are to take reverse in this, price of the product it will have very high, demand it will be low, the consumer income will be low, nobody will be buying, the price of the related goods it will be low, other also be low, the taste of the tea it will be less, then the customer it will never buy, preference they will never give any preference, then demand it will be less. Consumer expectation if you are doesn't have in the market, then market it will be lost, then number of consumer not available in the market, there is no demand. So like that you have to write both sides, you have to be right. So suppose the question it will come, 8 marks questions it will come, define what are those factors it will be affecting on demand. So you have to be know for that, price of the product, consumer's income, price of related goods, the taste and preference of consumer, the consumer's expectation, the number of consumers available in the market or in the market. So these are the discussion of the first semester student on the factors affecting on demand. We are in the second model, demand analysis and utility concept. That is a main headline or subject is elements of cost and market analysis. So tomorrow we will be continued. Until that you have to be listen carefully, and whatever you have problems you have to call me or you have to come and visit in office. I will be available in the old our college BBA BCA building, that is it will comes in the near to railway station, that is a near to our labor office. Okay, thank you very much.